Hello, good morning everyone. And today's topic will be a polynomial. And before we go to this specific definition, let's learn about the concept and about the terms and expression. Terms means, for example, let's consider this polynomial. And since these two is separated by positive number, let's say plus, so this is one term, this is another term. So this is first term and this is second term. And if we say about variable, like suppose if you are going to indicate something like a number by x and y or a and b, this symbol, alphabet symbol, is known as a variable. And let's go to the definition of polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression having only non-negative integral power of a variable. So as we know it, a polynomial is an algebraic expression having only non-negative integral power of a variable. So according to degree, it is subdivided into it is divided into 4 parts. That is 1, linear, and 2 is quadratic, and 3 is cubic, and number 4 by quadratic. To be more specific, let's consider one example. Say a polynomial of 2x squared plus 5. So right now what we are going to look about is this, the power of the variable. From here, as we can see, the power of a variable is 2. And this power, since it has 2, so it will be a quadratic polynomial. So like for number 1, if we give an example, it will be 2x plus, let's say, 5, since the power is 1. Degree is 1. An example of quadratic, that's 3x squared plus 4. So the highest degree of a variable is 2. And example of cubic, 2x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 2, let's say. And the highest degree from all this term is 3. Degree 3. This type is known as cubic. And biquadratic, let me just give one example. Right. From this term, if we look at it, the highest power of variable, if we see here, this is 4. The degree is 4. So this will be a biquadratic. Next, let's see again another polynomial according to terms. According to terms, a polynomial is subdivided into monomial. Number 1 is monomial. Number 2 is binomial. And number 3, trinomial. Since in the beginning we have learned about terms and expression, from here let me give you some example, like 2x. This is a polynomial, but it has only one term. This type is known as monomial. While example of binomial, it's 2x plus, let's say, 3. Since it has 2 terms, this is known as binomial. An example of trinomial, 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Since it has 3 terms, this type is known as trinomial. And lastly, for today, let's talk about coefficient. Coefficient means, for example, let's take it this polynomial. Let's say 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Coefficient means before the variable, the number which was there. This is known as coefficient. Like you will say coefficient of x square will be the prefix, it will be 2. And let's say coefficient of x will be 3. For home assignment, If you open your textbook, let's say for your home assignment, if you open your textbook, page 33, exercise 2.1, question number 1, that is page 33, exercise 2.1, question number 1, examine which of the following expression are polynomial and which are not. State reason for your answer. Roman number, it will be all. And question number 3, write the coefficient of x squared in each of the following. And this will be your assignment for this week.